Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you to check the oil level. So first open the hood, and then while the motor's off, we'll head up here with look for this dipstick. This will be where you pull this out, wipe it clean with a good rag or a paper towel, stick it all the way back in. And then we'll pull it back out again, at which point then you'll check the end here for these measurements. They're kind of like grid pattern there, and where this oil is, you can see the one on the left shows like the full, and as you get where it's barely on the stick, that would be your low or near empty. So you want to make sure there's some oil on there. If it's looking really low for where these little kind of squares are, you want to add some. And especially with these motors, this is something you want to check as you get to higher mileage, because these motors could start to burn a lot of oil. But say you need to add some, you'll just add it here. Make sure you got the proper type of oil, as well as the same synthetic, conventional, and brand that you've been using. Ideally, best not to mix and match. But you'll just unscrew this, and either with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, fill as needed, and try not to overfill. But fill as needed, screw this back on nice and tight. And then at this point, I would probably turn the motor on for like 10-20 seconds to get the new oil to circulate, and then turn it off. And then repeat the same process we just did in the startup, pulling the dipstick, wiping it clean, sticking it back in, and then getting a read for if you're at the right level now or not. And don't do any of this in lieu of your regular oil changes, which typically you take the vehicle, put it on a lift, go underneath where the oil pan is, pull the plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug back in, and then up top here, add all the oil recommended for your particular engine model. Screw this back on nice and tight, and then at that point you should be able to start the car and drive as normal. And then the amount of miles, I would do them a little more often with this particular model, but typically rated between like 3,000 and 8,000 miles, depending on the motor type, type of oil, things like that. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.